In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 more faceless YouTube channel ideas that you could start today and potentially start seeing some income. We're going to talk about some ways that you can do it, how you can monetize these channels, everything that you need to get up and running. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn about these 5 faceless YouTube channel ideas. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Alright, so as I mentioned, we're going to take a look at 5 more faceless YouTube channel ideas that you can start. We're going to talk about some ways that you can do it, even if you don't have any skills or ability. We're going to talk about some ways that you can monetize them outside of the YouTube Partner Program. We're really going to dive in and build a YouTube channel in this video. Let's go ahead and get started. The first one that we want to take a look at is simply how to draw. Yes, you are going to make money on YouTube with teaching people how to draw. And the cool thing is people are looking this up millions of times per month. There are people of all ages that want to know how to draw everything, and you can make money with this. For example, if we hit the space bar here, you can see how to draw animals, people, human face, a cup, Among Us. Let's go to how to draw baby Yoda. We're going to hit enter here and we're going to take a look. Now, some of these people do show their face. You don't have to do it at all. For example, Art for Kids Hub has 3.6 million views from 2 years ago. The one below it, again, Art for Kids. Believe me, there are other channels in this space that are making very good money. 1.2 million views, 480,000 views. These are all giving millions of views per year. If we look at this one, 11,000 views from a year ago, only 6,000 subscribers. So yes, brand new channels, tiny channels can get into this. And what you want to do is simply teach people how to draw. If we look at this, we can go through each letter of the alphabet and simply just draw whatever comes up. Now, as you can see, how to draw a girl, how to draw a neuro. Now, I actually have a channel in this niche, and believe it or not, with the video that I create, I actually have someone create the entire process, and we'll talk about that in just a second. But I have someone say a maybe 500-word paragraph at the very beginning of the video, play music throughout the rest of the video, and that channel is monetized. Now, it's a tiny channel. It's not making any money right now, but it is proof that you can monetize this type of content. What you can do, and what I've done, is I've hired a voiceover actress from a website called onlinejobs.ph to actually read out the script. And the script is really basic. It says, hello, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to draw a cat step by step. If you are interested, be sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell, do all that stuff. And then I have someone draw the cat. Now, believe it or not, I am a terrible drawer. And what I've done is I've went over to a website called Fiverr.com, and I hire people to draw for me. In fact, I have this one woman. She's been drawing for me for a few months now. I pay her, I think, $50 for 12 drawings, which is a pretty good deal in my opinion. You could probably find someone cheaper over on onlinejobs.ph to draw for you, and they will draw maybe potentially something even a little bit better. So that is a YouTube automation cash cow channel that people may not be thinking of. And I'm sure you're wondering, how can you make money? Now, in this niche, I think the CPM is maybe between $8 and $10, so that's pretty good. And you can make money with affiliate marketing. You can recommend the products that are used, like a Sharpie, pencil, the lighting, the desktop. You can also recommend different drawing courses. So there's a few different ways that you can make money with this. And whenever I create a new channel, I always try and come up with at least 3 or 4 ways that I can monetize the channel outside of the YouTube Partner Program so that I can make the most money, even if for whatever reason I don't get in. That is number 1. How to draw, believe it or not, can make you decent amount of money, a channel of all sizes. So that's number 1. Number 2 is actually with sports news. Now, what you will want to do, and what I recommend that you do, is pick a niche. So pick a sport that you want to create content in and create news. Now, you don't have to show your face. What you can do, and I'll show you an example of this later, is you can simply summarize and synthesize what you're hearing and seeing on sports news. For example, just yesterday, one of the biggest NFL stars was traded. You're simply going to create content on your opinions. You're going to get the content, get the inspiration for ideas from like an ESPN or wherever you pick up your news, and you're going to summarize and synthesize. You are going to compare and contrast, and you're just going to talk about how that news impacts the sport. For example, if we're talking about this Tyreek Hill being traded, we're simply going to make the announcement that he was traded from one team to the next, and then we're just going to talk about how that affects the two previous teams. And the cool thing is, with professional sports, there's news every day. Now, some news isn't going to be as popular as other news, but there is news, there's events, there's stuff happening, and what you want to do is make sure your videos are at least 8 minutes long so that you can be monetized, but there are a few other ways that you can monetize as well. Now, a couple other ways that I'm thinking that you could monetize is one, with the Fanatics affiliate program. They are one of the official partners of NFL Shop, and they have an affiliate program. So people that are interested in this Tyreek Hill news might be interested in getting a brand new jersey with his new team, and that's going to be up shortly. You can also monetize potentially with like DraftKings if people are interested in gambling. There are, in my opinion, a bunch of other ways out there. Also, ESPN had an affiliate program at one point where you could monetize with that as well. So in my opinion, there are a few different ways that you can monetize in addition to the YouTube Partner Program. Now, you do want to be very careful if you are doing professional sports. Reason being is there can be copyright claims and copyright strikes made if you are grabbing content from, let's say, NFL.com. What you will want to do is you're going to want to go out and find copyright-free images and video that you can put into your content. I'll actually show you another way in the last YouTube way that I'm going to mention, but there's another way that you can do it as well that seems to work out pretty well. There's no copyright issues there. But number two is talking about sporting news. Another thing that you can do, and I've mentioned this a few different times, I think, is simply listen to sports talk radio. The reason why I like listening to sports talk radio is they're going to come up with things for you to talk about. So on your way to work and from work, they're going to give you a whole bunch of topic ideas that you can cover, and that's going to make your life a little bit easier. You can also monetize with the Dick's Sporting Goods affiliate program. If people are interested in maybe buying a new TV for the big game, you can monetize with Amazon or Best Buy as well. So that is number two. Number three is actually with top 10 videos for products and services. So we're going to look at top 10 or best. And I like this because people, once they're ready to buy, they know that they have a problem, they're coming to the internet and they're searching. So if we look at this, this is a simple video, best French door refrigerator 2022. The top result, 58,000 views, 4.39 thousand subscribers. So that is an incredible view to subscriber ratio. This lets you know that any channel can get in the door. Now, what I'd recommend that you do is go over to a website like bestbuy.com or Amazon or Dick's Sporting Goods or Bass Pro Shops. Come up to menu and find a niche that you want to get into. And you're going to monetize this with affiliate marketing. You're also going to monetize this with the YouTube Partner Program. You could also potentially sell buying guides or different trainings depending on what it is that you're recommending. But if we click on menu, we're going to go down to appliances and then go to major kitchen appliances, and you can see that they've broken down the niches for you. So we're going to look at refrigerators, and then within refrigerators, we're simply going to do French door side by side. So we're going to do top 10 best French door refrigerators, and then we're going to do another video that says best side by side, and then best 4-door. So we're going to go through and do one for each of these, and we're going to include our affiliate links. Now, you can be an affiliate for Amazon, Best Buy, Target. There are tons of them out there. Like I said, Bass Pro Shops. This works because they've actually broken down the different niches for you. And then if you want to take a step further, you could do individual reviews of the videos or of the products that you included in your best of or top 10 videos. So there is, in my opinion, a lot of opportunity to make money within the top 10 or best under. I also like best under as well. But if we look at this one right here, they're not showing their face. They're getting their B-roll footage from either the marketing website, so they're going directly to the consumer website, or they're grabbing it from a website that has stock photos. You can also do best, let's do best French door refrigerator, and then we're going to click under. Once again, people are looking to buy a French door refrigerator under $3,000, and you're simply, once again, you're going to go out and create content. Now, these guys are all showing their face, but look at this video right here. It looks like it's all stock. It has 60,000 views and it's just from a year ago. Once again, Products Unlimited, 2.6 thousand views, 37,000 subscribers, and you can do this without showing your face. It's just going to take you a little bit of research, trying to figure out which one's the best, and then finding the actual videos. And then after best of or top 10, I actually like counting other people's pockets as a great way to make money without showing your face. Now, there's two ways to do it. One, you can type in how much does and then put underscore make, and it's going to come back with some opportunities. For example, I typed in how much does Lil Baby make. The second result here, 20,000 views, 3,000 subscribers. Now, these people are obviously interested in celebrity, so that might be an avenue to find different affiliate programs related to celebrity and celebrity gossip. You can also type in net worth like this, and we are going to do Q, hit the space, and you can see people are asking about the net worth of their favorite celebrities. You simply go out and do a little bit of research, figure out how much these guys are making. Top result, 9,000 views, 4.39 thousand subscribers, so you can see there's opportunity. What I'd recommend that you do is find people that are pretty popular, that have a large following already on social media. These people will come to this channel, this video, and just argue with you about your net worth. I know that because one of my YouTube channels talks about how much different YouTubers make, and people are coming far and wide to argue with me about how much they make. Now, what I recommend that you do is make these videos at least 8 minutes long. And what you want to include is, kind of a backstory, talk about how much their net worth is, how that changed, some things that might change it, what's included in the net worth. Don't just make a short 2-minute video, make a video that's about 8 minutes long, 8 to 10 minutes long, and it's actually much easier. What I do is I'd actually stay with one niche. So if you're going to stay in hip hop, stay in hip hop. Don't make one about Swag Boy Q and then make one for Taylor Swift. You're going to attract two different audiences, and that might not be great for your channel. But net worth, in my opinion, is really cool. What you could try and do is put affiliate links to credit repair, to making money online, starting an online business, because if these people are interested in other people's net worth, they might be interested in starting their own business and making their own money. So that could be an avenue to make money. You could also sell your own physical and digital products if you've created a digital product on how to make money online. Of course, you can sell your own merch right from the YouTube short shelf once you get 10,000 subscribers. So that net worth, I think, is a really cool way to make money. And I think that you'll be able to get a large following relatively quickly. And the final way that I want to show you is simply with live news in the finance niche. Now, this is Tyler Pratt. Tyler Pratt initially started off his YouTube channel teaching people how to make quick money online, how to make, surveys, make money with surveys, things of that nature. And he's since switched over for the last maybe 2 years, and he's talking about stimulus checks. Now, in these videos, he doesn't actually show his face anymore. What he was doing is, if we look at this right here, is he is basically just repeating and reading the news articles that he finds. He goes out and finds a news article about a stimulus check and reads and reacts to it. Gives his own thoughts and opinions. Usually his videos are about 8 minutes long or so, but you can see he's not showing his face throughout any of this. He started off with B-roll of stimulus checks, and then he jumped over to an article that he found. We could actually find that exact same article, but then that is it. So you find an article with about a topic, whether it's finance or making money or basket weaving. You review the article, you credit the article, and then you give your interpretation or feedback, and then you can make money with the YouTube Partner Program. This is actually probably much easier than trying to come up with original content. You can see there are tons of these comments of people responding about it. Actually, one of my channels that I started off doing this, and you would be surprised by the number of people that comment. But once again, you can make money with the YouTube Partner Program. You can also make money with recommending credit repair, savings accounts, make money online, start an online business, start an online side hustle, sell your own digital physical products. You can also sell merchandise as well. And those are different ways that you can make money. So just to recap, how to draw is, in my opinion, a cool opportunity. Sports news, as long as you stay on top of trending topics. Top 10, best under are all great ways. Net worth is another cool way to make money. And then, of course, staying on top of regular normal news. Now that you know 5 faceless YouTube channels that you could start today and potentially start seeing some money, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.